So guys, YouTube Jared333, so I'm packing for Arizona tomorrow. I got my tripod in here so far. I'm going to be wearing those shoes. They're like hiking shoes. We're going to pass the mountains, canyon, whatever you want to call it. So, let's see what else I should. I'm going to need this. It's going to be cold in my jacket. Let's see. Portable charger. My mom wanted me to bring this new sweater. So that's that. So I'm going to be wearing this one tomorrow. So I'm going to have this on. I'm going to pack this one. No, not this one. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to need some deodorant. I got some like meeting clothes stuff in case, you know, we go to this church. So let me see, first of all, if this stuff here fits. So far so good. I'm going to have this two things on, so I don't need to pack that right now. I don't know what else to pack. I'm going to need a charger for sure for the damn. I'm going to need a charger, so